Swine meant mice controlling. Why is VECTERM the best insecticide? VECTERM is the safest insecticide. VECTERM is good for elimination insects that live in hosts. VECTERM is not harm to humans and animals. How to use VECTERM? 3 steps: cleaning, mixing, and spraying. Clean up swine house and swine body. Add 1 liter of VECTERM into 100 liters of water and red color. Spray. Focus spraying on swine face because 80% of mice are on face and ears. Spray on the backside. You can see the red color on the whole body, so make sure you spray well. A second treatment 7 days after the first application for elimination mice that hatch after first. The next application once a month. VECTERM, the best choice for spraying while raising animals. VECTERM has double safety.